Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some numerical based on states of matter lesson. First question is, what will be the pressure exerted by a mixture of 3.2 gram of methane and 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide contained 9 decimeter cube flask at 27 degrees Celsius? This is the question. So, a cylinder consisting of two gases. One is methane, other one is carbon dioxide. And the pressure volume given, we have to find the total pressure, right? Total pressure of the reaction mixture. Total pressure we have to find, right? Solution. Now, what will be the pressure exerted by the mixture of 3.2 gram of methane and 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide containing 9 decimeter cube of flask at 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. Amount of, first we have to find the amount of methane is equal to 3.2 grams. Next, number of moles of methane. Number of moles of methane equals to given mass by molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass. This is the formula we learned in the first chapter. That is equal to 3.2 gram divided by that molar mass. Molar mass of methane is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 gram per mole. We substitute here 16 gram per mole. On simplifying these two, we get the answer of 0.2 moles. Now we find the number of moles of methane. Next, amount of carbon dioxide is equal to 4.4 gram. Number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to 4.4 divided by 44 gram per mole. Why? Because carbon dioxide C plus O2, 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. We get the answer of 0.1 moles. So total number of moles. Next step is total number of moles equals to 0.2 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.3 moles. In this way we have find the number of moles N. Next step, temperature. Next one is temperature. Given temperature is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. We convert this into Kelvin. 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. This is also important. Next one, volume. Volume is equal to volume of the container. Volume of the container is equal to 9 decimeter cube. We convert into meter cube. 9 by 1000 meter cube is equal to 0.009 meter cube, right? Next one is applying ideal gas equation. Next is applying ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. We want only pressure of the mixture. So P is equal to nRT by V. Substitute all the value. N already find number of moles. N is equal to N1 plus N2. Since N is equal to N1 plus N2, total value is 0.3 moles into R. We know that R is equal to, in the question itself given, R is equal to 8.314 given joule per Kelvin. 8.314 joule per Kelvin. Next one, 300 Kelvin. Temperature divided by volume is equal to 0.09 meter cube. On simplifying all these things, we get the value of 8.314 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal. Kelvin inverse Kelvin cancel, right? So joule per meter cube is equal to Pascal, right? This is the answer for this question. What will be the pressure exert answer? Answer is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal. Pressure is applied. Here they are not giving 2 volume, 2 pressure. They are just giving the volume only. We have to find the pressure. In such cases, we have used ideal gas equation. Last class we have discussed some problems that is P1, V1, P2, V2 like that they are giving. For that cases we are using Boyle's law. Here they are giving only only volume of methane and volume of carbon dioxide. We have to find the total pressure of the reacting mixture. That in these cases we can use the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. For finding the number of moles using this formula, amount of methane is equal to 3.2 gram. Number of moles of methane is equal to given mass by molar mass. Molar mass of methane is equal to 16 gram per mole. On simplifying all these things, we get 0.2 moles. Amount of carbon dioxide is equal to 4.4 moles. Number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to given mass by molar mass. We get 0.3 moles. So total number of moles N is equal to N1 plus N2. So we get the answer of 0.3 moles. In this way we get the value of N. PV is equal to nRT. N value find out. R is given in the question. It's a universal gas constant. So R is already given in the question, 8.314 joule per Kelvin. And T is 27 degrees Celsius given. 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. In physical chemistry, all the problems we have to convert the Celsius into Kelvin. So 300 Kelvin. Volume of the container is 9 decimeter cube. For our benefit, we have to convert decimeter into meter cube. 9 by 1000 meter cube is equal to 0.009 meter cube. PV is equal to applying the ideal gas equation. Now we have to apply the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. We derive from the combined gases laws. Then P is equal to nRT by V. N is equal to N1 plus N2. The value is 0.3 moles. So 0.3 mole into 8.314 joule per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin by 0.009 meter cube. We get the answer of 8.314 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal. For this, you do simplification, you will get same value. We will do the next problem now. Question number 2. Calculate the volume occupied by 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide at 31.1 degrees Celsius and 1 barometric pressure. Gas constant is 0.083 bar liter Kelvin inverse mole inverse given. Okay. To find volume of the cylinder, volume of the container. This we have to find. Okay. Given, what are the terms given here? Mass of the carbon dioxide gas, mass of carbon dioxide gas is equal to 8.8 grams, given mass. Next, temperature is equal to temperature is equal to 31.1 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 31.1 plus 273 is equal to 304.1 or 304.1 Kelvin. Okay, temperature given. Pressure, next one is pressure is equal to 1 bar. So these are the terms given. What they want? Volume. So applying ideal gas equation here, applying ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. P is 1 barometric pressure into volume we don't know. N is equal to number of moles. For that we have to find here number of moles. Number of moles of CO2 is equal to given mass by molar mass. This we have to find. What is the given mass? 8.8 gram. What is the molar mass? 44 gram. We know that CO2, C plus O2, 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. Oh, each oxygen is 16, 2 oxygen is there, 2 into 16 is equal to 32. So 44 gram per mole is equal to 44 gram per mole. We get the answer of 0.2 moles. Next, substitute here PV is equal to nRT, where P is equal to 1, B don't know, and then N is equal to 0.2 moles into R is equal to 0.083 bar liter Kelvin inverse mole inverse into, not bar, it is ATM inverse, atmosphere, ATM inverse liter, okay, into, sorry, here bar only, right, bar, unit mistake, bar, into, next one is temperature 300 Kelvin, then V is equal to 0.2 moles into 0.083 bar liter Kelvin inverse mole into mole inverse into 300 Kelvin by 1 liter. So moles and mole inverse cancel. Bar liter Kelvin mole inverse into 300 Kelvin, right? Next, volume is equal to, we have to, the 1 is going to denominator. If we simplify, we get the answer of 5.048 liter. Simplify, mole inverse cancelled. Kelvin inverse Kelvin cancelled. So liter only remaining. On multiplying all these things, we get the answer of 5.048 liter. Once again, I repeat the problem. Calculate the volume occupied by 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide at the 31.1 degree Celsius and 1 barometric pressure. R value is given, right? First we have to write to find what we have to find volume of the container. Then given, what are the terms given? Mass of carbon dioxide given, temperature given, convert the temperature into Kelvin, pressure given, 1 barometric, applying ideal gas equation. Why we are applying ideal gas equation? Because they are giving single pressure, single volume only. For that case, we can use the ideal gas. If they are giving 2 pressure, 2 volume, means we can use the Boyle's law. Okay. Then PV is equal to nRT. N, what is N? Number of moles of carbon dioxide. Given mass by molar mass. We know that formula. So applying the values, we get 0.2 moles. Substitute all the values here. PV is equal to nRT. Then V is equal to nRT. Then P is equal to, V is equal to nRT by P. This is the formula, right? Then substituting the values, simplify. So mistake here, one here P is there. Volume already know 1 liter. P is equal to nRT by V. Okay, now we have simplify, rectify the problem. 1 liter is the volume. Simplify everything, we get 5.048 liters. Thank you, students. God bless you.